watching them, huh? Pulling on their chest too hard.
Nah, you act like you looking in the mirror or something.
My name is Trinity.
I was just gonna say, you know, you don't give him some of that food.
Are you happy though? You happy to see her or something? Though?
Thanks, my boy. A little different.
Like you good, man? It's just you now.
He on the video.
All right, man.
It's like he never seen himself before.
You killing me, dog. Everything all right with you? Oh, fake cough. Look at this. That nigga over there looking, man. Man, you know what I'm talking about, man? You know what I'm talking about, man? You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about, man? Oh, we love that. Yeah, I hear them. Don't get distracted, man. Don't get distracted, man. Don't get distracted, man. Don't get distracted, man.